What you doing, Bart? Skateboarding. Can we come? No way, man. Skateboarding's men's work. Then why are you doing it? Because I am a man. Cowabunga! The breeze, the solitude, the wind whistling through your hair. Go, man, go! Huh? Watch this. Here goes the daredevil skateboard champion of the universe. So long, suckers! Hi, Bart. Bye, Bart. Okay, ready? Get set? Hey, look over there! Go!
Well, good night, son.
Dad?
Yeah?
What is the mind? Is it just a system of impulses, or is it something tangible?
Relax. What is mind? No matter. What is matter? Never mind.
Thanks, Dad.
Good night, son.
Good night, Lisa.
Good night, Mom.
Sweet dreams.
Thanks, Mom.
Sleep tight.
I will, Mom.
Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Bed bugs?
Rock-a-bye, baby, in the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come baby, cradle and all. Sweet dreams.
We may be the best parents in the world.
Good night, dear.
Good night.
Dad, what were you saying, Dad? I didn't get the thing about the brain and the matter. Could you be more specific?
All right, climb in.
There's nothing to worry about. Now, everyone go to sleep. Good night.
What are you kids doing now?
We're having a contest, Mom.
What?
We're having a burp contest, Mom.
Well, knock it off. I do not allow burping in this house.
I love Mom.
But
The show must go on.
Bart, what did I say about burping? I said no burping. And when I say no burping, what do I mean? That's right, no burping. I know you won't disappoint me.
Watch this. The burp champion of the world.
Burp? Bart, are you burping again?
Maybe.
What is it with this burping? Why? What's the thrill?
it's fun.
It's crude. It's vulgar. It's impolite. And it's nauseating.
That's what I said. It's fun.
I'm still the burp champion of the world.
Bart, meet the new champ.
Watch this.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, you kids. I absolutely forbid burping in this household.
How's it going, everybody? Oops. Pardon my French.
Thanks, Dad.
Good one, Dad.
What a little baby you are.
Don't you have any self-respect?
You don't see us going around sucking on pacifiers.
It's time to grow up, you little runt. What?
Another pacifier?
You are a depraved little infant.
We're just trying to help you.
Yeah, help you.
Hey, Maggie, look.
Quick, the hot sauce. You can have your dumb pacifier.
If we care.
We don't need pacifiers.
We're big.
We watch TV.
We're mature.
What? For us?
Are you kidding?
No way, man.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. Want to hear a scary story? Once upon a time, there was an evil, insane maniac.
Bart, why can't you tell the story with the lights on?
Okay, you little babies. I can't find the light switch. It's gone! Everybody comfy? Once upon a time, there was a psychopathic strangler on the loose in a dark house. They couldn't see him, but they could hear his breathing. It was dark. All was silent. And then they heard it. The sound of the crafty vampire sucking blood from the neck of his latest victim. Listen. And now for the scariest story of all. Once upon a time, 3 little children sat shivering in the dark. Suddenly, they heard footsteps. Listen, you can almost hear them. Coming closer and closer. And then the footsteps stopped.
How come you're always wearing that hat?
Fashion statement, Dad.
Take off the hat, boy.
Look, he's a beatnik.
You go get a haircut.
Right now.
I was afraid this moment would come.
Well, what'll it be, Sonny?
Just a little off the top, sir.
Sure thing. There you go. What do you think?
What the did you do to my head?
Oh, that'll be $5, please. And here's the sucker.
Isn't that boy back from the barber yet?
I heard him sneaking around in his bedroom.
Bart! Front and center!
I'll take it off, but you all gotta promise you won't laugh, okay? Promise?
We promise.
What the you kids watching?
It's Itchy and Scratchy.
Our favorite show.
Well, you're not watching it.
Aw, Dad.
Come on, Homer.
Nope, it's too violent. Go do something else.
Now I'm really bored.
I know. Dun 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 dun. It's the Bart Simpson Show, starring Bart Simpson, featuring the Bart Simpson Orchestra and the Bart Simpson Dancers. And now, here's the star of our show, Bart Simpson. Thanks, Ed. Funny thing happened on the way to the studio tonight. I ran over my dad's head on my bike.
I thought I told you kids not to watch violent TV.
It's stupid, but it's not violent.
Oh, yeah?
Bart? Why, you little...
Whoa, gotta run. Good night, folks.
Close by, kids, and I'll explain everything you need to know about the briny deep.
I want to see a giant squid attack a sperm whale and battle to the death.
I want to swim free with the fishes. I brought my lucky red swim trunk.
All right, can the chatter and listen up. Here we have the hideous moray eel. And over here we have the tasty but repulsive sea bass.
Yuck! What the is that?
Bart!
Come on in, the water's fine.
Boy, you come out of that tank right now.
Do some tricks, Bart. Oh.
Stop that. It only encourages him.
Ah! Dad, you gotta see this. Bart should be coming up for air any minute now. Look, I see something.
Lucky red swim trunks.
Well, the trunks were lucky, even if Bart wasn't.
I'll take those. Thank you very much.
Bart, come over here.
I'd like to accommodate you, Homer, but I'm afraid it's safer in here.
Hey, Mom, can we have an advance on our allowances?
No, you can't.
Aw, come on, Mom. We're dead broke.
I said no. Now, while I'm out shopping, don't get any funny ideas about filching cash from the money jar in the kitchen.
Oh, yeah, the money jar.
Promise me you'll be honest.
I promise.
I hereby solemnly swear.
Okay, bye. Be good.
I wonder if this is wrong. Go on, Lisa. Get the money. Remember your promise, Lisa.
Maggie!
Go for it, dude. Get the moolah. That's right, Bart. Steal the bread, man. What? That's it? A measly buck?
Can't even trust your own mother.
Bart! Time for your Sunday night bath, boy!
Gotta hide.
Bart! Where are you, boy?
Oops.
Aha! There you go! Now that's not so bad, is it? Scrub good now.
Welcome to the exotic world of undersea explorer Bart Simpson. Come with Bart as he dive into the briny deep, searching for the wily and elusive washcloth. Suddenly, without warning, the brave boy gets more than he bargained for. Help! Help! Clean as a whistle, Homer.
Play friendly, children.
But we don't want to play friendly.
Bart!
We want to play rough.
Lisa! Act like a lady.
Yeesh, what a grouch.
Come on, Bart. You can punch better than that. Let me try.
But you're a mere girl.
And you're a pig. Give me the gloves. Your problem is you're not motivated.
Do you hear that?
What, dear?
The punching bag.
They're just playing, Homer.
I can't sleep with that racket. Go tell him to knock it off.
I like the punching bag sound. You go tell him if you don't like it.
I said do it. Now move it! Why, you little...
Sorry, Dad. Sorry, Dad.
Sorry, Homer.
Sorry, Homer.
Get out of the way, Bart.
But...
Step aside, boy.
But...
Bart. Let go, Lisa.
Family therapy? What the hell is this?
You said we were going out for frosty chocolate milkshakes.
Well, I lied. Simpsons? Welcome. So what brings you to family therapy?
Well, Doc, it's like this. They're all driving me crazy. I don't know what to do.
Not my
Lisa was
fault.
an orphan.
Lisa!
Oh boy, mints.
Go ahead, take one.
We never laugh anymore, Doc.
You can say that again.
When Homer's right, he's right.
For once, the old man's correct, Rooney.
Shut up!
I'm sensing some deep-seated hostility here. Why don't we all take a deep cleansing breath? Don't you think you've had enough mints, son?
I ain't leaving till that bowl's empty.
Put those mints back, boy.
Ew.
Lord, you little slob! You ruined the whole bowl!
Don't talk to my brother like that, you big oaf.
Oh! Why, you little borderline psychotic!
No one talks to my daughter like that.
Oh, yeah? Now you're gonna bully me like you bully your kids?
We don't like you, sir.
Leave this office, please.
Look, Nurse Maggie, a new patient. Oh, I got the hiccups and I got it bad.
Nurse Maggie, begin preparation of the secret hiccup elixir. Milk, ice cream, maple syrup, cream of broccoli, hot sauce.
No way, man.
I knew it. Not enough hot sauce. Climb into the treatment apparatus, please. Confidentially, Nurse Maggie, this treatment has occasional side effects. But the side effects are somewhat entertaining, are they not, Nurse Maggie? I'm stumped, Nurse Maggie. This is the worst case of hiccups we've ever treated. That's it! A combination of our previous techniques followed by the scare treatment. It can't miss. I pronounce this patient cured.
Hey, there's only one cookie left.
All right, we'll swipe the rest of them.
Don't look it up, Dad.
Why'd I eat all those cookies?
Lay off those cookies, boy.
That jar is off limits, Bart. And if I catch you with so much as one cookie...
Mom! Dad! Bart's eating cookies!
No. No. No.
Why, you little...
I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
Wake up, Bart. Come on, snap out of it, boy.
You were only having a nightmare, Bart.
Yeah, boy. Everything's gonna be okay.
It was all a dream.
Here, Bart. Have a cookie.
It was the night before Christmas, and all through the home, not a creature was stirring, except for me and this poem. My sisters were nestled, all snug in their beds, while visions of candy bars danced in their heads. Then I sprang like a spring and snuck like a sneak down the stairs to the gifts for just a quick peek. When lo and behold, what did I see? Lisa and Maggie had just beaten me. I poked at my package and said, "This is rad, man." Then noticed Dad's shadow. He looked like a madman.
Oh, Maggie, oh, Lisa, oh, little Bartholomew, go upstairs, go right now before I kill all of you.
And so into bed we fled in a flash, awaiting till morning to open our stash. At last, daybreak came, and we scampered so cheerily, while Mom and Dad yawned and gazed at us wearily. For Maggie, a pacifier. For Lisa, some dolls. For me, a big burp gun which shoots ping pong balls. Then on came the TV, and we started to doze through all the exciting Christmas-themed shows. So, to those of you grooving on my holiday rap, Happy Christmas to all, and to all a good nap.
He's your grandpa. Now get in there and talk to him. Gather round, kids, and I'll tell you about the good old days.
Oh, man.
You know, when I was your age, I had to walk 20 miles just to get to school. And back then, we didn't have pacifiers. We had to suck on pieces of wood. And in my day, we didn't have TV sets. We used to sit on a grandpa's lap all evening and listen politely to his entertaining stories.
Was your grandpa a liar, too?
No, but his lap was awful slippery. Once upon a time, there was a happy little elf.
Can't something bad happen to the elf?
The happy little elf hummed a happy little tune.
Aw, come on, man.
But suddenly, the happy little elf stopped
Why'd the happy little elf stop?
because he realized he was actually a clumsy little elf.
Come on, Gramps. Tell us a scary story.
You want it scary, eh?
That's right, old-timer.
This is a story of a very...
You killed Grandpa.
No way, man. Society killed Grandpa.
Face it, Bart. You're doomed.
I was just pulling your leg.
Hallelujah! He's alive!
That's what I like to see. Everybody having a good time. Bart?
Dinner! Hot meal! Come and get it! Hearty and nutritious, right here. Anyone who doesn't get his or her button here pronto will go without dessert. Hold it, everybody. We forgot to say grace.
Hey, that's right.
This family could use a little reverence around here.
Good drink, good meat. Good God, let's eat.
Hold on, all of you. There's no need to slurp your soup so loudly.
She's right, you little slobs.
Let's try a little dignity around here. I don't want to hear any slurping.
Right, Mom. Okie dokie, Mom.
You know, dinner shouldn't be eaten in silence. This should be a time for communication.
That's a good idea, dear. Bart, turn on the TV.
On tonight's news, bus plunge kills 43. Freak roller coaster accident decapitates.